Can everyone hear me? Cool. So if you want to send me your elevations, go to your go to your south elevation, right? Make sure that it's in hidden line. Yeah. Go to File, Export, CAD, DWG. I know. Oh wait. Shit. You're right. Yeah. All right. Okay. So go to your south elevation. Make sure it's in 1/4 inch scale. Right? Then go to File, Export, CAD, DWG. All you have to do is press Next and save that drawing somewhere. And then email it to me. And that's it. So I'm going to get everyone's file, and I'm going to put them all in a row so we can see what the neighborhood of our houses next to each other would look like. Yeah, I saved it. I just got to send it. So it'll look like this, and I'll take the file and I'll put everyone's together. All right. And everyone's using the same level height, so it shouldn't be too much work for me to do this. And then make sure you just email me the DWG file, or I'm going to set it up in Blackboard. Or should I set it up in Blackboard? Because Blackboard's not going to be a thing anymore. Never mind. Okay.